don't even know what to say. I'm on my last stop of the day up here. I have to go down and get my camera and bring you guys along. I'm just like, you know what this is? This is the newest, best product on the market. It takes a shitty roof and turns it into a brand new dry product. Just get a load of this. I got up here and I was like, holy shit. Ignore the little part right here. I think they ran out of product. It's the best product. Link in the description. It's the easiest to install and it dries your roof out. I think this one's Flex Seal. Flex Seal isn't good for anything but spraying your stuff black. It just paints it. That's all Flex Seal does. But look at the amount of like tar and stuff here. Just smeared tar, buckets of tar. And then you got a little pond over here. I mean, that's gonna hold water. Buckets of tar. Goop-diddy-goo, look back here. Oh my God. That's probably like 2 to 3 inches thick of tar right here. That's just gonna make the next roofer come out here and be like, fuck my life. Burp, I gotta blurp that out. Yeah, there's just ungodly, copious amounts of tar. Right here, look at this, I got this. In the instructions on this bucket, it says, pour up high, let run down in the hot sun. My golly. There's a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket pail tar lid right there. Oh, and it continues on. Let's just goop up around here. You know what they need to do right here? That didn't stop it. I think they need to like take some leaves and like bondo it together around here. Maybe reinforce it with some sticks here. Maybe some little pine needles or something, you know. Wrap it around. Oh, pine cone, that fits it. Look at that. It's even round like that. Now the tar will hold. That'd be good. This one here, start it up here. It's just, woo. Actually, it looks like it's got several layers built up. That must be a 30-year warranty. Let's walk on the trusses. It's breaking. Try to find a truss here. Oh yeah, they need the pine cones. Maybe I need to start selling pine cones. Hold the goo. Another big old patch. Look at this. I got my crappy shoes on today. It's been raining all day. My shoes been getting wet walking through the grass. Here's another couple spots. Look at the dips in the wood. You know, if you gotta look up your roof on how to tar your roof, just maybe have a thought of maybe I ought to just replace my roof. I tell you, it's gonna save you a lot of money. You know, I figured the estimate on this a minute ago down there in the truck. The size of this roof at today's cost of OSB, holy boop. It's like over $4,000 in wood on that line item alone. Not smart to push your repairs down this far, people. If you take one good takeaway from this, fix your stuff before it's bad. The only other thing I want to say is I really, really hope that this was a do-it-yourselfer and not a contractor. This is bad. Man, I do not want to tear into that. That's going to be a nightmare. Wow. Oh my God. I set these here a minute ago. I figured they'd be better off to throw some sticks across here, throw a towel on it, and then smear a bucket of mud across this, and yeah, it'd be set. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. This is it. Last stop of the day. Sun's going down. I'm getting chilled. I'm ready to head home. I hope you enjoyed this doozy of a roof. If you did, give me one of these, please. And I really think that this playlist of roofing gone bad, worst roof ever, it's pretty simple. I just shoot what I come across every day, very minimal editing, and put it out there for you guys. So if you enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe so you see the weekly dose of roofing gone bad. In my head, I just envision like the title or something and tar oozing down the roof or off the screen, and yeah, when tar strikes back. I don't know, something. Don't use tar. It's a bad product. Anyway, have a good one. See you next time.